What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have a lot of fall fun going on here at Amy Learns to Cook. We are headed out to a fall festival. We're also going to go take the drone out and look at the fall leaves, and we have a little bit of fall decorating to do. Look who's here, gobba gobba. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Let's have a little bit of fall fun. So we kicked off fall a few weeks ago, and around here, it's pretty much in full effect. We have leaves all over that are turning colors, and we're not quite at peak leaf yet, but it's getting there, right? Today, we're going to head out and have a little fun. We're going to go eat some goodies at a fall festival, as well as we're going to take the drone out and look how the leaves are doing. I am so excited that fall is here. I know everybody is because everybody's been decorating for like months, right? Me? Look at this. This is a little turkey. I have not really started decorating too much, so I have a few things to show you that I'm going to put out. I'm not going to put out a ton of stuff. I think by the time I get my fall stuff out, it's going to be time to decorate for Christmas. Because I want to decorate for Christmas like maybe the few days before Thanksgiving so I can get everything done. So here's a few of my fall decorations that I'm putting out. I just got this this year. It's a baker with a bunch of pumpkins. I have a couple of these pumpkins, but look what happened to my other white one. Look at that. I have a completely broken pumpkin. So we already have one fall cat. And over here, every year, I bring out my little truck. I love this thing. Eric's outside mowing the lawn. Let's go check out what he's doing. There's Farmer Ebu mowing the lawn. Yay! Oh, he's noisy out here. So we plan to go to we plan to go to a fall festival as soon as he's done. So so I'm looking forward to it. So we'll jump in the truck when he's done, and next time you'll see me, we'll be at the fall festival.
Enjoy my new haircut. Ooh. Uh-huh. Yum, yum.
Funnel cake and fried Oreos.
Yeehaw.
That's a fried Oreo.
It was all gooey.
Bingo time.
Hey, boo.
Whoa. 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 Wow. Ooh, don't let it go too far. Okay, I hit land. Land. Ugh.
150 feet higher.
Yeah, that's the bridge. Down to the river.